Hey there, welcome to the Python Coders channel. I'll guide you through our BMI calculator. This video is interesting. Please like, share, and subscribe to support us. Stick around till the end, okay? Let's dive in and see how to calculate your BMI. Time to start coding. We'll begin with two inputs, your weight and your height. Start with weight. W equals float. Input. Go ahead, enter your weight. Remember, it's in kilograms. Weight is set with float input. Enter your weight in kilograms. Now on to height. H equals float input. Enter your height now. Ensure it's in centimeters. That's your height. We'll convert it to meters. Height equals h divided by 100. Time for the BMI calculation. BMI equals weight divided by height squared. That's the logic. Then, use print. Your BMI rate is BMI 2F. Keep it to 2 decimal places. Enter the values and hit enter. Use if. If BMI is less than 18.5, then print. You're in the underweight category. That indicates you're underweight. Next, if BMI rate is less than 25. Print category, normal weight. Now on to the next step, elif. If BMI rate is less than 30, print overweight. Category, overweight. If none apply, use else to print category obesity. This places you in the obese category. That's the code. Save and run it. Oops, a small error. Use double quotes instead of colons. All right, save it and run. First, input your weight in kgs, like 58. Then, height in centimeters, such as 170. Hit enter. Your BMI rate is 20.07, which is normal weight. That's it. If you have any doubts, comment it, then I'll reply. Got it? This video helpful? Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.